G5 grinder, the secret to your perfect cup.
"36 levels of infinite grinding coarseness adjustment can be adjusted according to different coffee types and taste preferences." Using a 15 degrees tilt design, this not only helps the beans to distribute more evenly on the grinding disc, but also reduces vibration and noise. The 180W DC motor not only has strong power but is also very energy efficient, enabling you to achieve efficient bean grinding at low power. In addition, its noise level is very low, providing a comfortable and pleasant user experience. Easily fall powder, get rid of the troubles of flying powder and accumulation. Long press for 2 seconds to enter the slow grinding mode. It can grind coffee beans finely, making coffee emit the most intense aroma, and the taste is more delicate and mellow. A gentle blow is all it takes to completely remove any remaining coffee powder, preventing buildup and the development of unpleasant odors. Plus, with a grinding efficiency of up to 99.8%, you can be sure that every grind is fresh.